Maximizing fleet uptime, whether big or small, is a daunting and time-consuming task. Introducing Crystal, the all-new innovative and all-encompassing data platform from Ctrack, saves you time and money, helping you to streamline your vehicle fleet and asset control. Ctrack Crystal, configurable by you to your needs, means no more time-consuming and unnecessary dashboards and reports. Only clear and precise data in real time, in the cloud, and accessible from anywhere in the world on any device. Simplify your driver management, task deployment, and communication through proactive driver behavior monitoring to ensure safe driving, less collisions, and in turn reduced insurance costs and third-party claims. With the Crystal app, the power is in your hands. Ctrack Crystal, your tool for a more productive fleet, more proactive decision-making, and ultimately, a better return on your fleet and asset investment. So whether you're on the beach in Bali, the sand dunes of the Sahara, or sunny South Africa, your fleet will always be safe, productive, and always visible.